Couple of big stories coming in from the Indian Super League 2020-2021 season. First of all, a story that has been building up for the past month, and yesterday it was finally confirmed by Neeta Ambani that the famous East Bengal club will be the 11th club to take part in this season's ISL. Now this is a very big news, not only for the club but for the city of Calcutta, because East Bengal holds a very prestigious place in the history of Indian football, and they have now officially become the second club from Calcutta to take part in the ISL. Now this entire story began about a month and a half ago when East Bengal announced that Shree Cements had acquired a majority stake in the club. Now this entire process was started because East Bengal wanted to become eligible to participate in the ISL, and a couple of weeks after their acquisition they officially placed their bids to the ISL for participation. Now that bid was under review by the AIFF, the All India Football Federation, and now finally yesterday the announcement was made that East Bengal will be the second club from Calcutta to take part in the ISL. Earlier this year, ATK merged with Mohun Bagan, making it ATK Mohun Bagan, and that was the first club from Kolkata to take part in the ISL, and now East Bengal will be joining them. Now this is a very big step for the club of East Bengal to ply their trade in the top flight league in the country. The second big news coming in from Indian football is that Sandesh Jhingan, India's top rated defender, has finally announced his move and will be moving to ATK Mohun Bagan. I mean, there was a lot of speculation building up right until this point. He was plying his trade for the Kerala Blasters in the past few seasons, but missed the entire of last season because of an injury. And finally, after so many speculations about his move to Portugal, there were rumors where he was linked with a number of Portugal clubs to ply his trade over there, but those moves fell through because of the pandemic situation, and now finally he has confirmed that the 27-year-old Arjuna awardee Sandesh Jhingan will be playing in ATK Mohun Bagan this season. Now this shows some serious intent on the part of ATK Mohun Bagan to show that they are here to play and they want to dominate the ISL. I think this season's ISL is going to be one of the most fiercely competitive leagues in the history of the league because of the quality of teams that have joined in and the numerous signings that other teams have made in the build-up to this season. Now Sandesh will be joining his teammates who are in Goa under quarantine right now. The season was set to begin in the first week of November, but it has been pushed back a couple of weeks because some of the foreign players have not been able to complete their visa requirements and will not be able to make it in time for the start of the tournament. So it has been pushed by a couple of weeks. But the players are in quarantine right now in Goa and are itching to get back to training, which will start once their quarantine is over. And boy, can't we wait for this season to finally get underway after the amount of build-up it has had to itself. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned tomorrow for more.